Hello and welcome to a quick video tutorial for Blender. This actually is more of a help file because someone in YouTube comments said that it used to be that you have to make an object out of several objects to be able to have different materials on it. I have just recently learned that this is not the case, so I want to show you how to do it in case you don't know how. First, let me create a cube here, zoom on in it, and we're going to raise this onto the ground. I used that by G for grab, Z for the Z axis, and 1 for 1 unit up. So we have this lovely cube here, and we first need to UV this to make sure that we have a texture to bake on. So let me grab my edge tool and UV this real quick, and so mark seam, mark all, unwrap. There we go. Using this up by G for grab, and then just use the mouse, the arrow up button, and press enter. So there we go, having it a bit more visible here and a bit smaller there. Now we want this cube have a different material on each side, and we use cycles render. That is very important here. There it should work on any other on the Blender render as well, but cycles render is what I'm using here. So first we make a new material, keep it at diffuse for now, and give it a nice color. This is now the material for the whole cube. You can see that if you go to materials view, but we want every face a different color, so we go to edit mode, select face, and now we go here to the little plus sign at the side, add new material, new, and choose a different color, for example in the yellow, and assign. That assigns it only to the selected face. So we do this now for all the other faces too. Go through here, new material. You can assign first if you want to, you can choose the color first if you want to, however you like. Go here, new material, assign, different color here, nice purple. We have here blue, there blue, and down here we make first new material, then assign, and make it a nice mint color. There we go. Now we have all these new materials here. When we go to render view, we can see that it's a little bit dark here, so I'm going to make an environment node. Going here to the node editor because we will use that in a moment anyway. Go here to the world node, use nodes, and turn this dark gray background into a brighter white one. And then we go to render it now. There we go. So usually we only need to make this nice bake solid here. Wait a second, no, but go to materials, easier. Usually we only have to make the bake with the UV node here. Go down to bake here and click that. And now we get this arrow, no active image found in material for object cube. Now that's a problem because, oh my god, how to bake when we can't bake. And we have materials here, so there are materials, but first we assign this cube here. That is something I forgot. Haha. And We try that again. Still no active image. Wow, okay, what's the problem? Now, the problem is that all these materials here have no idea on which texture they should bake. And that is an easy fix. We stay here at the material and insert a texture, image texture, and choose the cube UV map we just made. We don't connect this to anything. We just keep it as it is. And because every different material we use needs this as an output, we Control C for copy, go to the next material, Control V for inserting here and there, the next one, and the next one, and the next one. Make sure you check all your materials if you have this image texture here not connected to anything, and keep it selected. Then we click that cube to make sure that it's selected for our baking, and try the baking again. And now you can see it starts to bake. And that is because now all the materials know on which UV texture they should bake. And that's the whole trick, and now that should work. Let me pause this until it's done to not bore you to death. And here we are again, and as you can see, there's our UV. All really nice, every color where it should be. Of course, you can make, for example, this green face in a new map if you want to. So this, now you have only this face selected, you make new and cube 1 for example, and in the material it should be the green one. Also, if you're on the blue one for right now, you should go to the green one because this is a green face, and change this to cube 1. And now we bake this again, and I'm going to pause this to not bore you to death once more. And back we are, and we can see the green face here is missing, and when we change to cube 1, there we go, have the green face. So you can use this to either bake them all on the same UV map or on different UV maps, but you can definitely bake the stuff on UV maps with different materials on the same item, and I hope that helped. And maybe see you next time if I have any other wisdom to share. I don't know yet. I'm rather new with Blender myself. I usually use a different program. So hope this helped, and see you next time. Bye.